For this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Actions Overlay node. Beforehand, we need to have an overlay page prepared. You can showcase any other type of information. First, we need to click on it to go into Edit mode and change the name. Go back to 3D mode and search for the Overlays node. Naming your overlays will help you to find them faster. But now, we need to give a name for one that is going to show it. Duplicate it or just create a new node. Then, change the name to the one that is going to hide it. Now, you can find this name under the Disable overlay and search for the same name in the Enable overlay. Done. Now, you can connect it to anything that will make your web experience unique. Thanks for watching.